There's a certain electricity in the air right now. It's a tension, a buzz, a sense of anticipation that camera lovers, filmmakers, and adventurers know all too well. It's the quiet hum before a storm, the stillness before something groundbreaking. And this time, all eyes are on DJI, the company that transformed drones into filmmaking essentials, redefined stabilization with gimbals, and empowered creators with powerful, portable tools. Now, DJI is preparing to do it all over again. Only this time, their focus isn't the sky above us. It's the world we live in, the ground beneath our feet, the mountains we climb, the waves we conquer, and the memories we want to preserve forever. At the heart of this buzz is the DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera already rumored to be far more than just another action cam. Whispers in the tech world suggest this could be the boldest leap in portable filmmaking we've ever seen. A device that doesn't just capture action, but redefines how we tell stories. DJI's journey, building toward the action. 6. To truly appreciate the excitement, we need to rewind the story. DJI's journey into the action camera market didn't happen overnight. It began with the Osmo Action 1, a bold entry in a space dominated by GoPro. Dual screens, rugged build, and solid performance, it was DJI saying, "We're here to compete." Then came the Osmo Action 2, smaller, modular, and ambitious. It was innovative, but not without compromises like overheating and short battery life. Still, it showed DJI's willingness to experiment. The Action 3 refined the formula. Better durability, extended battery life, and stronger stabilization made it more practical for adventurers. And then came the Action 4, a huge leap in low-light performance, stability, and all-around usability. It quickly became a favorite among vloggers and content creators. Each version was a step forward. Each version made DJI's presence stronger. Yet insiders agree, none of them, not even the praised Action 4, carry the ambition of what's coming next. The Osmo Action 6 is not just an update. It could be the reinvention of the action camera itself. Developed for over 2 years, according to multiple leaks, DJI has been quietly working on the Action 6 for over 2 years, gathering feedback from filmmakers, vloggers, athletes, and creators who push their gear to the limit. They weren't just asking, what's next? They were asking the big questions. What if an action camera could capture true cinematic footage without bulky rigs? What if it could intelligently adapt to changing conditions, light, motion, and subject, without endless manual tweaking? What if it could fit in your pocket, yet handle the demands of professionals? The Osmo Action 6 may be the answer. The sensor revolution, cinematic power in your pocket. The heart of the rumors lies the sensor. The Action 6 could feature a 1-inch sensor, a massive upgrade from previous generations. For context, most action cams use smaller sensors that struggle in low light. A 1-inch sensor means larger pixels, better light capture, and image quality that approaches professional cinema cameras. This upgrade could deliver unmatched low-light performance, making night footage clear, detailed, and breathtaking. Wider dynamic range, capturing highlights and shadows with true-to-life precision. Richer colors and cinematic depth, footage that looks film-like instead of flat. Leaked prototypes even suggest improved HDR, a 14-bit color pipeline, and next-gen noise reduction. For creators, this could mean saying goodbye to grainy nighttime shots forever. K-video, the future of resolution. For years, 4K has been the gold standard in action cameras. But the Osmo Action 6 might take things further with 8K video capture. That means insane levels of detail. The ability to crop or reframe footage in editing without losing quality. Future-proof content ready for the next generation of displays. Imagine being able to film an adventure and later punch into specific moments as if you had multiple cameras shooting at once. That's the power of 8K Rocksteady 4.0. AI-powered stabilization sharp resolution only matters if your footage is smooth. That's where DJI's rumored Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization system comes in. Using advanced gyro sensors and AI-driven motion prediction, this system could take stabilization to new heights. Picture yourself sprinting downhill, riding a surfboard across crashing waves, skydiving, biking, or snowboarding at full speed, and your footage still looks like it was captured with a high-end gimbal. If this holds true, the Action 6 could set a new standard for stability. AI scene detection, the smart camera. Perhaps the most exciting leaks point to AI-powered scene detection. This feature could allow the Osmo Action 6 to intelligently recognize what you're filming and adjust automatically. Diving underwater, the camera could auto-adjust white balance and exposure. Filming a sunset, it could switch to a cinematic profile with rich, warm tones. Moving indoors, it could brighten shadows without blowing out highlights. For creators, this means less time fiddling with settings and more time focusing on the moment. Smartwatch integration. Control at your wrist. Another rumored innovation is smartwatch integration. Imagine starting or stopping recording, changing modes, or checking battery life directly from your wrist. For creators who mount their cameras on helmets, cars, or drones, this is a game changer. No more struggling to reach awkward buttons, just tap your wrist, and you're in control. Battery life, endurance. Redefined battery life has always been a battle for action cameras. DJI looks ready to solve it with next-gen IntelliCell battery technology. Insiders claim up to 4 hours of continuous shooting on a single charge. Fast charging that delivers 80% power in just 20 minutes. That means less downtime, fewer battery swaps, and more time capturing the action. For adventure filmmakers, this could be priceless. Storage and Pro features leaked details suggest the Action 6 may introduce internal storage options in addition to SD card support. That's a lifesaver for remote shooting where swapping cards isn't possible. There's also talk of built-in ND filter support, giving creators pro-level control over exposure. It's a small detail, but one that shows DJI is listening to filmmakers' needs. Audio upgrades. Finally, professional sound. One of the most common complaints about action cameras is poor audio. DJI seems ready to fix this. The Osmo Action 6 may feature directional microphones that focus on the subject, active noise cancellation to cut out wind and background noise, native support for DJI's wireless mics right out of the box. This could mean crisp, professional-grade audio without bulky gear. Design, rugged yet refined, of course. An action camera must survive the adventure. Leaks suggest the Action 6 will keep its rugged waterproof body, but with improvements, a slimmer, more aerodynamic design. Better heat dissipation to prevent overheating. A new lens coating to reduce glare, fingerprints, and water spots. In short, stronger, sleeker, and more reliable. Release date and pricing. So, when will it arrive? While DJI has kept quiet, most insiders expect the Osmo Action 6 to launch in late 2025, likely during DJI's annual fall event. Pricing is rumored between $399 and $449, firmly in the premium category. But if these features are real, that price may feel like a steal. Why the Osmo Action 6 matters. Here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about specs. It's about what the Action 6 represents. DJI isn't just building another gadget. They're creating a tool that could reshape filmmaking. A bridge between adventure and art, spontaneity and cinematic precision. Whether you're a filmmaker scaling cliffs, a traveler chasing sunsets across the globe, or a content creator documenting your journey one clip at a time, the Osmo Action 6 could change your process forever. Final thoughts. The rumors may shift. The leaks may evolve. But one truth remains, the Osmo Action 6 is coming. And when it does, the world of action filmmaking will never be the same again. Because this isn't just about DJI keeping up with competitors. It's about DJI showing the world what's possible when technology and creativity collide. So buckle up, creators. The future of action foe.